Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as promised, is a rapid fire Q&A video. Now you ask, Divisha, why rapid fire Q&A out of nowhere? So to answer that, we crossed 5,000 subscribers on YouTube last week, and yes, it's a big milestone. I was so damn excited and I wanted to celebrate it in a way. So I was thinking of ways to do that, and that's when I realized that you guys don't know a lot of things about me, and you should get insight into my life. And that's why I put up these pictures on Instagram and YouTube and asked you guys to ask me a bunch of rapid fire, interesting, quirky, weird questions as well. So I'm gonna answer them in this video. And I have not seen any question as of now, as of this moment. And my sister is right behind the camera. She's going to ask me all the questions that you guys have sent me, and I'm sorry in advance if I miss any question, because we received a lot of them and I can't possibly answer all of them in this video. But you can follow me on Instagram, because there I keep posting this Q&A thing on my stories, and I do answer a lot of questions there. So connect with me there on Instagram. And also a big thank you to all of you for subscribing to my channel. It means a lot to me, and I love you all so much. And let's get to 10,000 subscribers really soon. Yay. So chalo abhi video shuru karte hain. So Deets, are you ready?
Yes. So
Shoot.
I'll go with your first question. What was your parents, family, and friends' reaction when you told them that you want to open a YouTube channel?
It was pretty chill. I mean, they were little shocked and surprised कि अचानक से क्या हो गया, इसका सपना तो डॉक्टर बनना था and engineering करी, and then out of nowhere this YouTube thing happened, and I was like, ठीक है, let's give it a shot. And they were, eventually got okay with it, but they were super chill.
Are you an introvert or an extrovert?
I am somewhere in the middle, ambivert, I would say.
Okay, is there any dream job for you? Like, what is your dream job?
Dream job. Okay, that's interesting. Dream job. Okay, something that's related to fashion. First of all, it has to it has to be a fashion job, and something that I love to do. Basically, that's my, or maybe for a job that allows me to travel the world. That would be great.
Okay, so what is your favorite video till now on your channel?
It's so difficult to choose one. Okay, on the top of my head, it should be this my recent video that I did for crop top styling. I loved the whole video so much that you should definitely check it out if you haven't.
So you post lot of content on fashion and all. So which is your favorite fashion cloth right now?
Okay, cargos. I'm really into cargos, and all those baggy pants and everything.
Tell us about your memorable moments in life.
Memorable moments. Okay, there are a lot of them. What should I say? Okay, recently we'll talk from the last 1 year, because there are a lot of it. If I go and talk about it. So last year मेरा एक reel feature हुआ था Instagram पे, and I got crazy. I was all over the house. I was jumping like a kid, and that was like one of the most memorable things. Then in lockdown, when I started YouTube, I never thought that I would hit 5,000 so soon. So again, I was like super excited on cloud 9 when I just hit, and also received my first proper salary in 2020. So that was an achievement, of course, and I bought presents for all my loved ones, and that was a great feeling. So yeah.
Okay. So how do you deal with rude and critical comments?
Ignore.
So are you a foodie? What is your favorite food?
I think I would call myself a foodie, because मुझे बहुत different type का खाना खाना पसंद है. Although I am vegetarian, but
trying different things, different new recipes, I love that. And my favorite food, सबको पता है, it's pizza. And second thing would be fries. So not a surprise.
So you look quite comfortable in front of the camera. Is there anybody in your family who has a similar background or something? So how come you are from this field?
Okay, so actually no one is from this background, and they are far away from this whole thing. And I actually eventually got comfortable with camera. I always loved taking random videos from my handy cam and from my phone and stuff like that.
So eventually I got better with camera. You should go and watch my first video. I was so damn nervous, but now I'm like pretty comfortable.
So yeah, it's a process.
So which is your favorite online brand which you adore? Online fashion brand.
Online fashion brand. Okay. I think I'll go with Forever 21. Trendy styles I get my size easily, and अच्छा है. I mean, affordable भी है, इतना ज़्यादा expensive भी नहीं है. So Forever 21.
Your favorite movie?
That's a wrong question. नहीं है एक favorite movie. But अभी recently मैंने एक movie देखी थी. What was it? When We First Met, and it was a rom-com, and I really liked the whole concept of it. It was really nice and not so predictable. So yeah, that was good. You can watch it if you want.
And your favorite song?
Favorite song, again, there is not one song that I love, but currently I'm loving that Levitating by this. I don't remember the singer's name, but Levitating. I'm sure you guys have heard of it. Yeah.
Okay, so any favorite genre?
Not really. Depends on my mood. If I'm feeling ऐसे dance like, तो I'll listen to those kind of songs. If I'm feeling like relaxed and everything, so I'll listen to those kinds of songs. But mostly I like the chill vibe going on, like anything that's chill and relaxed.
So since you answered that, are you a moody person? As in general?
Ask my sister. She's my roommate. She knows better.
Okay, so what is your dream? Like
Dream. Okay, it's to have. It's to travel the world. To see everything. And to experience like a lot of things, all the adventures and everything. What's I choosing? And taste food all around the world.
okay, if you change your name, what it could be and why?
Interesting. ये किसने पूछा है? Okay, change my name. वैसे तो I like my name a lot, but anything with the sound sh is like my go-to. I love the sound sh in names, like maybe Shaurya or something similar. I don't know.
What would you do if you won $1 million?
Oh, $1 million. Huh, interesting. I would spend a few dollars to buy stuff that I've always wanted to, like maybe a designer bag or maybe a lot of clothes and maybe materialistic things basically. And the rest I would probably invest in something good.
Okay, so a lot of people asked your age.
Guys, I'm 23. You should know that.
So a rapid fire round. If given two choices, you have to choose one of them.
So it's like this or that.
This or that something.
Okay.
So family, friends.
Family.
School, college.
College.
Beach, mountains.
Mountains.
Burger, pizza.
Pizza.
Coffee, chai.
Cold coffee.
Phone, money.
Money.
Sleep or shopping.
New phone. Sleep or shopping. Sleep.
Okay. So your YouTube income.
It's not monetized yet. It takes a lot of time and efforts, and a lot of things are involved in that, so not yet monetized.
Okay, so from which camera do you shoot your videos?
I don't have a camera yet, so I use my iPhone 7 to shoot my videos, and hopefully soon I'll get the camera, so let's hope.
Okay. Who is your inspiration in your current field?
Current field? Okay, I've answered this before, but there is Masoom Minawala. I love her for her creativity and fashion sense, of course. There is this Canadian blogger, Valeria Lipovitsky. I love her lifestyle, and she's like has amazing personality, so I love her. And Sejal Kumar for her video making skills and video editing skills and all of that.
Top 3 things in your bucket list.
Top 3 things in my bucket list. Okay, I'll say as of now, like in the next maybe couple of years, I want to achieve this. So first thing has to be to buy a camera. It's in my bucket list for so long, but I'm sure I'll buy it, in this year. And second is to travel some places at least, because of COVID, कहीं घूमने नहीं जा सकते. So second is that. third is to
A few moments later.
I think make a good community with you, like connect with you people in a way that you feel connected to me. So that's my third thing that I want to do.
What is it that you desire? Is it fame, money, or just enjoyment?
It's fame, money, or enjoyment. Okay, enjoyment, of course. If you don't enjoy what you do, what will you do with all the fame and money? Enjoyment over anything.
So your mom also has a YouTube channel, right? So did you suggest her?
Yes, actually, because she also loves cooking, and I was like, she should have a platform, and the all the people out there should be able to reach out to her recipes and maybe cook delicious food.
So that's why I inspired her, and I was like, "Chalo, I'll edit your videos and I'll shoot your videos. You just make all the recipes." So yes.
So now to end the video, once again a rapid fire. Okay.
Okay, bracing
So
myself.
ice cream or cake?
Cakes.
Traditional or western?
Western.
Simple or stylish?
Simple but stylish.
Expensive life or normal?
I think luxury, like expensive life. That's what I'm working towards.
Shoes or sandals?
Shoes.
Jacket or sweater?
Jackets.
Travel in India or outside India?
Firstly, to travel in India.
Okay.
That's it. Okay, so that was so much fun. I really enjoyed, answering to all of your questions. There were so many. I mean, so if I missed any of the questions, we'll do similar video next time, and then you can ask your questions. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you next time.